Did you know that almost 60% of deaths around the world are caused by chronic diseases? What's even more surprising is that many of these diseases start quietly in older adults, often before anyone notices a single symptom. That's why it's so important for seniors and their families to learn about the hidden health issues that can pop up after age 60. Let's talk about what really happens as we get older. Our bodies change, sometimes in ways we expect, like getting a little slower or having more aches and pains. But there are also health problems that sneak up on us, ones that aren't so obvious. Many people focus on big health concerns like heart disease or arthritis, but there are other issues that can be just as serious if we don't catch them early. One of the biggest challenges is that these hidden health problems often look like normal aging. Maybe you feel a little more tired, or you forget things now and then. Maybe you don't feel like eating as much, or you're less interested in taking a shower every day. These might seem like small things, but they can be signs of bigger health issues that need attention. As we get older, there are some health problems that can sneak up on us without much warning. Let's talk about a few of these, so you know what to watch out for and can take steps to stay healthy and independent. Sometimes, illnesses like diabetes, high blood pressure, or kidney problems can develop quietly. You might feel just fine, but these conditions can slowly harm your body if they aren't found early. That's why it's important to get regular checkups, even if you feel okay. Another thing that can happen is a change in personal hygiene. Maybe you don't feel like showering as often, or you forget to wash your hands. This is common, but it can lead to skin problems or infections if it goes unnoticed. One of the biggest risks for seniors is falling. Did you know that about 1 in 3 people over 65 has a fall each year? And it's even more common for those over 80. Falls can cause broken bones or long hospital stays, and sometimes it's hard to get back to your normal routine afterward. Frailty is another concern. This isn't just about feeling weak. It's a condition that makes you more likely to get sick or injured. It can sneak up slowly and make it harder to do things you used to enjoy, like gardening or walking. Memory problems or trouble thinking clearly can also start to show up. Sometimes people think this is just a normal part of getting older, but it can be a sign of something more serious, like dementia. If you notice changes, it's important to talk to your doctor. Eating less or losing weight without trying can also be a problem. Sometimes, cooking feels like too much work, or food just doesn't taste as good. But not eating enough can make you weaker and more likely to get sick. As we age, it's common to spend more time alone, especially if friends and family move away or pass on. Feeling lonely isn't just sad. It can actually make you physically sick and affect your memory and mood. Taking several medications can get confusing too. It's easy to mix them up or forget a dose, and this can lead to serious health problems, sometimes before you even realize it. Finally, things like hearing loss or trouble speaking can make it hard to talk to your doctor or family. This can cause misunderstandings about how to take your medicine or what symptoms to watch for. Of all these issues, falling is especially important to watch out for. A fall can happen in a split second and really change your life. But the good news is, many falls can be prevented if you know what to look for and take a few simple steps to stay safe. If you're finding this information helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out on more tips for staying healthy and independent. And keep watching. We're about to share some ways to protect your health after 60. Let's keep going. So, what can you actually do to look after your health once you're over 60? The good news is that there are some simple habits you can build into your daily life that make a real difference. First, staying active is one of the best things you can do for your body and mind. You don't have to run marathons or lift heavy weights. Even gentle exercises like walking around the neighborhood, stretching in your living room, or joining a chair yoga class can help. These activities keep your muscles strong and your joints flexible, which means you're less likely to lose your balance or have a fall. Plus, moving your body just feels good and can lift your mood. Next, let's talk about hygiene. It's easy to let things like daily showers or regular hand washing slip, especially if you're not going out as much. But keeping clean is important for preventing infections and keeping your skin healthy. Try to make a little routine out of it. Maybe shower at the same time each day or set a gentle reminder on your phone. If you ever need a hand, don't hesitate to ask a family member to help you keep track. Eating well is another key to good health. As we get older, cooking can sometimes feel like a chore, or you might not feel as hungry as you used to. But your body still needs good fuel. Try to include plenty of colorful fruits and vegetables, lean meats or fish, and whole grains in your meals. If cooking is tough, see if a friend or family member can help, or look into meal delivery options that cater to seniors. It's also important to review your medications regularly. Many people over 60 are taking several prescriptions, and it can get confusing. Bring all your medicine bottles with you when you visit your doctor, and don't be shy about asking questions. Make sure you understand what each medication is for, how to take it, and whether there are any side effects or interactions you should know about. Finally, don't forget to stay connected. It's easy to feel isolated, especially if friends or family live far away. But staying in touch is so important for your mental and emotional health. Call a friend just to chat, join a club or community group, or even try an online class or social group if you're comfortable with technology. Being social keeps your mind sharp and your spirits high. Remember, taking care of your health doesn't have to be complicated. Small, steady steps can make a big difference in how you feel each day. Let's take a moment to look back at why being aware of these hidden health issues is so important. As we age, our bodies and lives change in ways we expect. Maybe our hair turns gray, or we move a little slower. But some of the most serious health challenges are the ones we don't see coming. These are the silent, hidden problems like chronic diseases that develop quietly, changes in hygiene that slip by unnoticed, the increased risk of falls, and other subtle shifts in our health and well-being. That's why awareness truly matters. When you and your loved ones know what to watch for, you can catch these issues early. It's not about being worried all the time. It's about being prepared and proactive. By paying attention to how you feel, keeping up with regular checkups, and making small changes to your daily routine, you can protect your health and keep your independence for as long as possible. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. Many seniors face these same challenges, and sharing your experiences can help others feel understood and supported. Maybe you've noticed changes in your own health, or perhaps you're caring for a loved one and have seen some of these warning signs. Your story could make a real difference for someone else who's watching. We'd love to hear from you. Have you or someone you know experienced any of these hidden health challenges? Please leave a comment below to share your experience or any tips that have helped you along the way. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more practical advice and encouragement. We're always here to bring you new ideas on how to stay healthy, active, and connected. If you're looking for your next step, check out our other videos. Remember, staying informed and taking action is the first step to living well at any age. We're here to support you every step of the way.